Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing some spider gel from Saviland and doing a dip powder mani. So let's get right into the video. So I already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm applying my Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any bond, you can use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They both do the same thing. Now I'm applying my clear dip powder to my nails. So I apply base to 3/4 of the nail and then I dip into the clear dip powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and then dipped into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step, but I like doing it. Now, starting on the index finger, I'm using my ensemble dip powder. I did 3 layers of that, so I apply a thin layer of base and then I poured the dip powder on my nail. I also did the same on my ring finger. I'll be using my nail art foil, so I separated them into smaller pieces. Then I applied base to the index nail and I'm using my dotting tool to place the foil on my nail. Then I poured clear dip powder to absorb any base glue that was left on the nail. I also did the same for my ring finger. Now I'm going to be doing a color block with my Pro Dip white dip powder that I mixed with diamond dust glitter and my ensemble dip powder from Revel nail. I'm also doing this color block with tape. This was really hard to do because the tape was not sticking to the nail. It was a hot mess. I actually did this design before with an X-Acto knife. I'll link to that video in the cards. You can do that method if you'd like. However, some of my viewers didn't want to use the knife, so I decided that I'd use tape to show y'all. The knife is easier, but while filming it can be challenging to use the knife. So I did 3 layers of the ensemble dip powder. Then I placed activator and waited for it to harden, then removed the tape. The reason I don't remove the tape right away is because there are 3 tapes on my finger, so the likelihood of it ruining the design if I remove it is very high. So when the activator hardens the nail, it will remove it without ruining the design. Now I cut the excess and also filed off camera. So this is how it looks, and using my base glue I just applied base and poured the Pro Dip white dip powder on my nail. I did a few layers to build the nail. Moving on to the pinky nail, I did the same thing. Applying the tape to the pinky nail was also a little difficult, but I got it done, so I'd let you guys watch and I'll be back when it's time to encapsulate the nails. Now it's time to encapsulate the nails. When doing the middle and the pinky nail, I encapsulated the glitter area first. I do that because if I place base on the whole nail, glitter is bound to end up on the nail bed area. So by placing it on the glitter area first, it stops that from happening, and then I encapsulate the whole nail with a few layers of clear dip powder, but I only showed 1 layer. Then I applied activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails, and if you'd like to see my filing routine, I'll link to that in the card. So I purchased this Saviland spider gel a few months ago. Someone asked me to do a spider gel tutorial, can't remember who to be honest, so I got 6 gel pots. I'll be using the white spider gel today. Y'all, these spider gels are messy AF. I really didn't like it. Who came up with this? Even opening it was a task and a half. It's just messy. So I'm using my dotting tool to do this. So starting on the ring finger, I just placed it in the gel and then do whatever I'm doing here. I try not to get the spider gel too thick, so I stretch it out until it's thin and just do that. It's pretty easy to do, it's just really messy. You can play around with it and do whatever. Another way of doing it is by placing your index finger in the spider gel. This was really messy, guys. I wouldn't recommend it, but it kind of worked. So when you get the stickiness on your index and thumbnail, and you just do what I'm doing right here. So I really didn't like it anyway, so I filed it off and did it the other way. Then I cured for 30 seconds. Then I applied top coat and cured again. Now using my Mother One's gel glue and top coat, I just place it on my middle and pinky nail and place some rhinestones and beads on the nails, then cure it for 30 seconds. When the nails cool down, I apply some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So let me know what you think of this nail design. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.